Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to continue our WordPress for Beginners series. So for those who don't know, a WordPress for Beginner is a series which I just started and I've already published the first video. So you can go ahead and check it, and this is the second video. In the first video we talked about how to install and configure WordPress on your website. This is the second part where we will take a look at how to activate SSL, or for example, if your site is showing something like not secure, your connection to the site is not secure, you should not enter any sensitive information on this site and things like that, and sometimes give you a deceptive site warning. So definitely this is something you don't want on your site, because sometimes Google Chrome, out of just thinking that this site is not secure, it will block the site and it will give you an error. So for example, if a user is visiting your site, he will get an error and Google Chrome will say deceptive site ahead, it might contain malware and other stuff. So the user will have a very bad it will have a very bad impact on your user, and he might just leave the site and he might not proceed. For that, you need to make sure that your site is secure so a user can feel confidence browsing your site. So for this you need one thing, and that is you have to have an SSL certificate. Basically, SSL certificate is provided by your hosting provider, and most of the time if you purchase a domain from any hosting providers, they will give you the SSL certificate. In any case, if your hosting provider don't provide you the SSL certificate, then I've already created a video on how to get an SSL certificate for free. So I will be sure to link it somewhere in the corner right here, I guess, in the annotations, and you can click on that, watch it on how to get a free SSL certificate. And then once you can verify that you have certificate, you can follow along. So in my hosting provider, since my hosting provider already provided me the certificate, so as you can see, we have a green padlock icon near the youtube.creativegoals.com, which we created in the last video. So as you can see, I do have the SSL certificate, that is for sure. So now why it's not showing, like why is my blog not showing? So you can just go ahead and log into the admin panel. We'll just go to youtube.com/youtube.creativegoals.com/wpadmin and press enter. Once we do that, it will take us to our dashboard. Since we are already logged in, if you are not logged in, it will ask you for your admin credentials. And since we are already logged in, I will just go to plugins and I'll click on add new. And we have a really great and simple plugin which is called, I think it's called Really Simple SSL. The name itself is Really Simple SSL. Yes, Really Simple SSL. This is one of the best plugins which you really need, because as you can see in the dashboard, we are seeing that our connection is secure, but on the end user site it says connection is not secure. So once you click on install now, it will install it, and I just need to press activate. After you press activate, it will take some time and it will make sure everything is working fine, and then you just need to press this button. Okay, it says go ahead, activate SSL. I'll just click on it, and as soon as I do this, it will basically convert my old site, which was insecure, to a secure site. So let me just go ahead and check it once more, youtube.com/youtube.creativegoals.com. and now as you can see, our site is secure now. It says connection is secure, and Google Chrome or any other browser will not flag your user and make him think that this site is deceptive or anything. So this was basically a really quick tutorial on how to activate SSL and make your site looks secure. So of course we are going to continue, and in the next video we are going to talk about how to install themes and make sure your site looks fantastic, because currently it's not looking great, and although we have a secure site, we need a great looking site. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, because as soon as I release the new video, you should be getting the notification. If you like this video, leave a like, and definitely head over to my Discord channel. I have a separate channel named WordPress right there, and you can go ahead and ask me if you have any problems, or you can just simply ask in the YouTube comments. That's totally fine. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace.